Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the limited edition 2022 Liberty Box. If you're unfamiliar with Liberty boxes, they are put out by Fat Quarter Shop every year right around this time, and they contain a ton of fun red, white, and blue projects. These are limited edition boxes, so they're not like a subscription like I normally do unboxing for, so anybody can purchase these. You don't have to be a member of like their Sampler Club or anything. They always have a lot of fun goodies inside, so we're going to take a look and see, but definitely head over to Fat Quarter Shop for more information on these boxes. By the time this video goes live, it's possible that they will be sold out, but sometimes they do have some left, so you want to check there and just see for availability. But let's go ahead and look inside and see what's inside the 2022 Liberty Box. So the back of the insert does have a 20% off Andover Fabrics coupon, which is awesome. And then they do have this little insert that has everything that comes in our box with the retail value. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to start off with this adorable little needle minder. This is the Liberty Enamel needle minder. This retails for $10.98, and it's so cute and patriotic. And it says, protect your fingers from stray needles and pins with this exclusive enamel needle minder, coordinating with the Home Sweet Home quilt pattern in this box. It also is a lovely token to treasure this quilt. So if you don't know what needle minders are, they are these magnetic little I don't know, doodads, I don't know what to call it, a needle minder, and they will magnet onto, say, your cross stitch fabric, or if you're binding a quilt, you can also put it on your quilt, and the magnet just holds the needle minder on. And then as you're hand stitching your quilt or cross stitching or embroidering or whatever, if you need to take a break, you can just put your needle right on here. Since it's magnetic, right here, since it's magnetic, it will hold it on there and just keep it from like getting lost or, you know, poking anybody. So these are really cute. I also just kind of decorate with these. I have a little bucket of pins and stuff by my computer over there, and I always put these on just because they're so cute. The other thing in this box, and I love these are one of my favorite pairs. These are called Sweet Snips 3.5-inch fabric scissors. They retail for $7.98, and it says life is sweet with the Sweet Snips from Fat Quarter Shop. These scissors handle fabric and thread with ease, and the bright color hints at the blue skies ahead for all of your summer sewing. And these really are actually one of my favorite little snips. They're really nice and sharp, and here, let's take it out. They come with this little protective covering, which I love because especially if you're throwing it in your bag for knit or crochet or cross stitch or really anything, you don't want your scissors, poking into your fabric or tearing anything. So I'm really happy that they have that covering on them. But aside from that, they're actually really sharp little snips. So they are great quality, nice and heavy duty, and nice and sharp. And so love these. I already have probably, I don't know, a couple of pairs of these. And so, you know, they get lost in all of my bags because I always want to take them with me. So very excited to see those in here. I always love these cute little scissors. Next, we have an America thread white and blue bumper sticker. This values for $4, and it says, celebrate the land of the free motion quilting with this darling bumper sticker from Fat Quarter Shop. Adorn your windows, water bottles, and anything that needs a sparkle of stitchiness. And it's so cute, and it does look like it's been like cross-stitched or something maybe. So very cute. Also, I'm loving whoever's been writing their inserts lately because they have all the puns happening, and it's just a lot more fun to read. So the next thing in the box, and I thought this was quite unique to find, this is Soap Escape Liberty Star Quilt Block Hand Soap. It retails for $5.25, and it says, after hours of binding, your hands deserve some TLC from the Quilt Block Hand Soap by Soap Escape. Made of goat milk and glycerin, this patchwork-inspired soap will nourish and revive your skin and senses. And one of the cool things about this is that this lady who makes these, or whoever makes them, is actually in Colorado, so they're not that far from me, and I've never even heard of them. So ooh, has a really nice light vanilla scent, so very nice. Although it's kind of a little bit too pretty, I'm not sure if I want to use it, but it does smell really good. The quilt pattern for this box is adorable. Of course, it matches that needle minder as you already saw, and it's called the Home Sweet Home quilt pattern. It says the Home Sweet Home quilt pattern is a beautiful reminder of our sweet land of liberty. Houses embellished with stars and stripes can be made from the Star Spangled banner or Star Spangled Fat Quarter bundle in this box for a special gift that honors America. And they do have a link so you can learn more about the Quilt of Valor Foundation. And they said that the size and fabrics meet the quilts for the Quilt of Valor standards. And when I talked to them about this, they did say that they're going to be doing some more stuff to be able to kind of donate things for the Quilt of Valor program. If you don't know anything about it, I will make sure to link it below. I did my Valor quilt for my father-in-law over Christmas, which you probably saw. It's amazing foundation. They donate quilts to veterans, and it's just such a special thing. So anyways, if you haven't ever heard of that, I definitely recommend that you go check it out because they're a really cool organization, and you can donate quilts. You don't have to do this pattern. They have free patterns on their website and all the information on their website. So definitely check that out. But this one is really cute too. Let's get on to the fabric because that is the fun part. So Liberty Star Spangled Fat Quarter Bundle. This is for Andover Fabrics exclusively for Fat Quarter Shop. It retails for $43.73 and it says, "Oh, say can you see all the bold stripes and bright stars in this fabric. This exclusive Star Spangled 14-piece Fat Quarter Bundle is packed with shades of red, white, and blue that are ready to burst into your next patriotic project." So let's go ahead and take a look at all of the fun prints in this bundle. They're just really fun and of course very patriotic, and they would be adorable, and that quilt pattern that they sent out with it is super cute. So these would be perfect for that. And I don't know what it is about patriotic quilts. I have a lot of patriotic quilts and a lot of Christmas quilts, and for some reason I just love them so much. They just scream summer and picnic, and they're just so much fun. So here they all are, super cute and fun. I did add it up for you, and the box value for the Liberty box this year is $81.92, so that is an awesome deal. So that's everything that came in this box. I can't even hold it all up because I just can't get it all in my hands, but I love it all. I think this might be one of my favorite Liberty boxes that I have gotten because the pattern is adorable, the fabric is amazing, and it's a really good sized bundle of fabric too, by the way. The soap is so cute, and then the scissors and little needle minder are adorable as well. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already gotten your hands on one of these Liberty boxes, please make sure to stop over to Fat Quarter Shop and see if they have any left because I think this one is definitely worth it. So thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. So I'm going to start off with this adorable little pin. This is a needle minder, sorry, not a pin. Trash truck. And an airplane, I think, at the same time. Doing good so far, guys. 1 minute in. He just dumped my stuff all over the ground. I hope he gets out and picks that up. He even went out in the street to get the stuff that fell out. So, and he just dropped a bottle and left it. Whatever. I feel like it was the effort that counts. Very patriotic. Okay, sweet Snips. So they wanted to go ahead and do some projects that would be able to donate. I did add up the box value for you. Oop. I love it all. I can't hold it all though. So I don't know how I'm gonna hold it all. Plus I don't want to ruin my float.